There's nothing sweeter, there's nothing better. Nice like this with St. Lucia. We going to Rodney Bay, straight after Grossy Lake. Fish Friday, nothing better. Nice like this with St. Lucia. Link up by the Cabaway, then straight to Anslare. Street party, nothing better. Nice like this with St. Lucia. Oh, St. Lucia, oh. Nothing sweeter than you.
Morning guys, so today is Monday. My voice is going a bit. I've got a few errands to run today. I'm supposed to go to town to do a bit of food shopping, and then we're gonna go to climb, I think it's Ted Paul Nature Trail, I think it's called, and then we're gonna go to the Sulphur Spring, which is the mud bath and stuff, whatever, and then go to a beach. That's the plan for today. So we finished the food shopping, which is heartbreaking. It's expensive. But yeah. So now we're gonna go home, top of the stuff, get changed. We are on our way to Ted Paul Nature Trail, or whatever it's called. Yes, so after we do that, we're going to do the Sulphur Spring, and then after that, go back home.
You don't have to explain. Your life is excellent. Come on, if you got like plus, and you Monday, these white judges like us. Just stay strong, will appeal, nigga, you be free. Jam with you to the very end. Cause you ain't never had a friend like me. I'm down for you, so ride with me. My enemies, your enemies. Cause you ain't never had a friend.
So we're at Ted Paul Nature Trail, and here is my guide. Say hi, guide.
Hi, guide. You want me to say hi, guide?
The house.
Cassava.
Cassava.
Give me top and put my camera HD, eh?
Mine in HD 60. We can go in, right?
Yes, you can.
Wait. This is cassava, guys. Anybody who don't know what cassava is, look what it's looking like. Well, better, but yeah. That's the cassava flour. Don't need, you just eat cassava and avocado.
Let me see. I like the saltfish. Saltfish cassava. Spicy. I like the cherries.
Where you passing to go in that one? Oh, I remember those. Oh my gosh, I haven't seen this in years. I used to play with this. Make tail. Cat tail. Oh my gosh. Yes. This is Antigua house, it said? Not on the front, I saw it on the side over there. I think it's Antigua, it said. Tour guide, please come and explain. What is it?
This is an antique house.
Oh, antique, it say?
Antique, yes.
Oh, yeah.
Clay
I see Antigua.
pots, clay jugs, the iron they used to use back in the day.
Yes.
When
they didn't have straightener.
Yes,
think
you put
that's
that on the
used.
fire, pass it in your hair. That's the
Slick braids.
the old school. How do you call it?
Look, the machine. Uh-huh.
Yeah, bed day. Yeah, bed day. All kind of different cool pots. That was the most expensive.
So I got it wrong. This is called an antique house. I said Antigua house.
Very well. Back in the day, that is the houses you don't get in capacity.
Yes. I love using these. Oh, I love when you see these at my grandmother's house.
Have a small one.
That's all?
You have no balance.
Well, according to my tour guide, this is sorrel. And that's which one again?
Celery.
I always get them mixed up with, yeah.
Celery or parsley.
Yeah, I just get them mixed up.
I think the celery has bigger leaves.
Something like that. Sorrel, guys, sorrel. Get your sorrel, get your sorrel.
That is
People use that like,
I think the one in the background is like black. See how dark it is.
oh look, that's seasoning pepper, right? That's not the hot one. Come and taste it.
Yeah, it looks like season. Yeah. It's a nice plant. It's too small. It has so many.
My mother will want some. Maybe I'm up there.
Small there. That's nice garden.
Huh?
Nice garden. I could have a piece of property like that.
What if your little house, your little shack?
Your river, water tank, signal tower. I always have service. That's it. Garden everywhere. Everybody that come pay me $10 to take a walk on my property. This is a meg water tree.
So if you didn't hear, guys, according to my tour guide, this is a meg guava tree. They even have a little bit, as you can see. Yeah,
Stairway to heaven.
stairways to heaven.
We'll get there.
There's a plant that oh no, they have a plant that look almost like this.
Closest one you
Wait,
touch it.
yeah, that's it.
No, that's not. That's the burger maybe. You know the name?
No, I just know.
You know the name. That's women's favorite.
What's the name of it?
Not that one. The one you're talking about.
What's the name of it?
Gwena Buffet. That's woman's favorite plant.
Well, Darren, I was
Come on, back on the Gwena Buffet.
I was very little when I used to be here. So
Hey. Salt the crab in a African snail shell.
what?
Salt the crab in an African snail shell. Hey, don't bite me.
Oh my gosh.
Please don't fall. I'd have insurance. Straight to the Don't bite me.
Yeah.
Put them things as by the head. This is not a hole. Drop me gas, son. Yo, boy, is you. I'll go my business. This is an apricot tree. If you're not sure, the name is right. That's how I knew.
This is an apricot tree, and not the apricot you find in England. It's a different apricot. I shall insert a picture for you guys to see what kind of apricot we're talking about. I don't like apricots in England. No, I like the one from here.
That's not the same.
Yeah, it does. It does. Yeah, it does have. Does it? Yeah, it does have a seed.
Two seeds in there.
But the apricot here, they're big though.
The bigger, yeah.
The ones in.
All of your XX out.
Hmm? This is stones like when you're going by the river. Well, whew. Oh, that's in the picture.
That's nicer. And take. Blue waters is not part of nature.
Blue water is not part of nature.
No.
But it's water.
Yeah, but it's in a bottle.
It's in a bottle.
You take a picture?
Yeah.
I'm beating my tongue right now. Next point, check out the plum tree. So I tell you the plum tree is just stick a branch, stick it in the ground, and it must go.
See how it's growing? Crooked.
Smell mangoes.
You smell mango? I just smell it.
Smell it. There's a mountain in the back there, that's munching man.
This is a mango tree. That kind of mango, don't ask me which one it is. I just need mango.
Mango Ted Paul.
There's more up there. Or I just bring you somewhere, the same place. Join in.
But
You sure?
want to get the view. Pineapple.
Pineapple. Take one from me to come.
Plus, yeah.
This is some pineapple plants. And this is fig.
It's a lime tree. Hey, they have the different names. That's, hey, look, 5 finger up there. That's Graham mango. How do you know it's Graham? Anyway, I must see what it's.
A lime tree.
Mango Graham. Can walk on the grass, you know.
I'm passing somewhere because my skin is very sensitive. Ugh. This is Graham mango tree.
What's the scientific name?
Mangifera. Indica SP something. Yeah, whatever that is.
We have starfruit. Carambola.
Ah! Oi.
Carambola.
And this is
Carambola. 5 finger.
5-finger tree.
Or starfruit.
Oh, look, there's some 5 fingers in there. Ooh, look, I see a ripe one.
Was that smoke? Bushfire? Somebody doing a voodoo, man. Let's go, then.
Aye.
Straight down is a viewpoint. This is called recycling. Whoa. Ladies and gentlemen, if you look to your right, you will get a glimpse of Gopito. Gopito, that is Gopito. This is one of our twin peaks. As you can see, coconuts are very abundant in this part of the island. It's nice. It's very bright though. Don't know if my camera's gonna catch that.
That's a Samsung.
Quit it. So your iPhone battery had to die.
My battery didn't die actually.
Yeah, that's why your memory had to full. Non-expandable. Crap. Alright, take a left, right?
Like that?
It's called exhibitions.
You said stairways to heaven. This is stairways to heaven.
No, I told you we were not there yet.
No, you didn't.
This is plums. These are
Oh
plums.
shit, I didn't even see it.
That's because you're quarreling about the stairways to heaven. Stairway to heaven, I can see the light.
This is what we used to use as spaghetti, man. That's when you really need to cook. It's the stairway to heaven.
I like your tribe.
No. That's what I said.
7:35.
Whee! Gates of heaven. Already open.
But that's supposed to be gold.
I know, right?
Here we are. The heights of the Piton. This is Petit Piton. So we're gonna climb this next time. See the difference?
Yes. I just realized it was there.
Now it's complete, man. How do you call this one again? Mount Jimmy. Tallest peak on the island. In the back, covered by clouds. Go, you want to touch the top? Touch the top of the piton. Take it on that side.
Okay.
Turn more. Send out your hand a bit more. That's right. And tip.
Ay. We can continue. Like if we go that way to go back.
Let's go back, yeah.
Okay. The people past there, they do a shop.
Man. myself coming down.
Oh. I want a picture.
Picture. Careful.
Oh look, there's a rainbow.
It's raining. Hey, you didn't show that tree? That's kakuda there.
Oh, that's where we passed.
Mangoes. Okay, I know you smell mangoes. They have some.
Don't knock me here.
Nope.
Shit, man. It's okay. We got two. Yeah, remember I was literally talking about mango today?
This morning, eh?
Yeah.
So they have a stone path. She's walking on the off-road path.
Because the stone path is rocky. I don't want to walk on rocky roads.
Uh-huh.
And you go on the smooth path.
Because I like smooth roads.
Uh-huh. Yeah, let me see if I zoom if you can see it bubbling. Where did I see the bubble again? Oh, it stinks. Can you see the bubble? No. Yeah, you can. The bubble is here. Why is shaking? See, it's bubbling. And it stinks like rotten egg. Boiled egg. That's it. Huh? I don't know. Rotten egg smelling same way. Egg smelling in general. So, if you can't smell it, gotta go. Yes.
The simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings, a blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessings.